Hello, hello, hello. How you doing? This is Elsbeth coming to you from Beema's Crafty Corner, and I have a quick, fast ephemera piece for you today, and it's these right here. And these are made out of book pages, but you can also do it out of double-sided cardstock, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So I'm going to get out a bunch of supplies, and I'm going to be right back to show you how to do this real quick, real simple, real easy. These are easy peasy to do. So I'll be right back. Give me just a moment, and I'll get a list of supplies for you. All right, so this could honestly be the smallest supply list I've ever given you. Okay, so we're going to want a couple of easy peasy things for this one. Let me grab this. Ink and a dauber, bone folder, don't need the scoreboard, some adhesive, your paper trimmer, and paper. So book pages or double-sided cardstock, your choice. All right, so we'll start with the book page because, you know, that's the easy part. And what we're going to do is we're going to take this down. Let me get the arm out here so we can see what we're doing. To 6.5 inches. Save that. By 10. Perfect. And you know what? We'll go ahead and cut this while we're here as well. All right, so 10. Six and a half. You can do this a different size if you want to. I just like it this particular size. And that is it for cutting. We're going to do the book page first. We're going to put it with whatever we want to have showing face down. We're going to take the bottom right hand corner. We're going to bring it up. And we're just going to fold the bottom along the side. Just like that. And then we're going to fold this piece down. Just like that, so that you have a piece that looks like this. And then we're going to fold this back over. Lining it up on the bottom. Okay? Now we're going to do some inking. Get this out. Alrighty, so we're going to ink across the top, down this side. We're going to ink this whole fold. It's just easier to tell you that way. Inside and out. We're going to ink the bottom and this long fold here. All right, we're going to open it up. We're going to do some gluing. First thing we're going to do is we're going to glue along the bottom here, right along this edge. So I'm just going to run a line of glue from the point up to this fold. We're going to glue that down. Then we're going to glue this down. And if you don't want the pocket to go all the way down, then come up and glue up here as well. Okay? Fold that over. And then we're going to glue right along the bottom from the fold to the point. We're going to fold that over. Press it down. and from the corner up. Push it down. Okay, so that's the first one. So you end up with pocket, pocket. And if you glue it down around the edges, you get another pocket in the back. Okay, so I'm going to do that one more time with the double-sided cardstock. Again, I'm going to decide what part I want to really see, and I'm going to put that face down. I'm going to bring it up. Match the bottom to the side. Just like that. And then we're going to fold that over. Bring this down. Match up the side. We're looking for this weird shape. Okay. And then turn it over. And you're going to bring the point to the point. Okay. Just like that. All right. Then again, we're going to ink. And, you know, you can skip the ink if you don't like the inking look. You know, it's entirely up to you. I'm going to throw my bowl folder on the floor. All right. Here we go. Glue. Oh, let's do this part first. Glue here first. Press that down. Gluing here and here. And I'm going to come up about an inch because I don't want my pocket to be that deep. So I'm going to glue that down. And then I'm going to glue right across the bottom here. Press down. There we go. I got a pocket here and I have a pocket here. And again, if I want, I have a pocket in the back here. And if I want to do the pocket in the back, I can take my little finger nip out, ink that up, and then when I put it into, you know, my book, when I put it down on a piece of, on a page, I would have a way of seeing that there's a pocket back there. So that's it. That's my easy peasy quick pocket. And like I said, you can use a book page if you want for it, or, you know, just a piece of double-sided cardstock. It's totally up to you. You could use regular cardstock and you can mat this if you want to. If that's your choice, you can, of course, do that as well. That's it. That's all I have for you today. Listen, if you're new here and you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit that button for me and subscribe. Like me, ring my bell, share me with all your friends. Then your friends can be my friends, and my friends can be your friends, and our friends can get to be friends. And before you know it, we have a giant crafting community. I go live on Wednesdays, Thursdays, Fridays, and Sundays, and I post videos Mondays, Wednesdays, and just about any other time that I want. I have two things going on in 2022. The first of which is my free classes. There is a series of free classes that I have put together. And if you would like information on those, the fastest way to get that information is to make sure that you select the all notifications when you ring the bell, and that way you'll know as soon as those videos get uploaded. And I also have my 12 of 22 challenge going on, and if you would like to participate in that, you do not need to make 12 journals. All you need to do is go down to the description, click on the link. It takes you to a little slideshow that tells you everything that you need to know to get you started, and you can choose to start and stop whenever you want. That's it. That's all I have for you. Listen, until I see you again, stay well. Bye-bye.